don't know what you're talking about, Ralph. All I know is you're not dying.
Gonna be convinced, huh? All right. Here's the doctor's report. Well, aren't you the merry widow? You'll probably be hysterical at my funeral.
I was wondering what happened to this report, Ralph. The doctor said he sent it over. Blue tongue, bald head, saucer of milk. Oh, Ralph, this is a riot.
This is a riot? We'll see how much of a riot this is when you have to finish the payments on the icebox.
Ralph, you're not dying. This report happens to be from Dr. Martin, the veterinarian. This is about Mom's dog, Ginger.
I knew that. After Saul was anointed king, everyone went back to their lives and businesses. But though the people of Israel did not seem to understand the significance of the change that had just taken place, the nations around them certainly did. Israel was just like them now. They used to be ruled by God. Now they had a human king, and that made them in the eyes of some ripe for the picking. 1 Samuel 11:1. Then Nahash the Ammonite came up and encamped against Jabesh-Gilead, and all the men of Jabesh said unto Nahash, Make a covenant with us, and we will serve thee. When the Ammonites came to besiege Jabesh, the people in the city quickly asked for terms of peace. Fighting did not even occur to them, but the terms of peace were unbelievably harsh. 1 Samuel 11:2. And Nahash the Ammonite answered them, On this condition will I make a covenant with you, that I may thrust out all your right eyes and lay it for reproach upon all Israel. Harsh? Yes. Cruel? Yes again. Pointless? No, definitely not. Warriors in those days held their shield in the left hand and looked out past it with the right eye. Take a person's right eye rendered them forever incapable of fighting. Nahash did not mind these people living, just wanted to make sure they could never fight again. The devil does not mind you living. He just doesn't want you fighting him. Just go along with wickedness, and he will leave you alone. But God called us to be soldiers of Christ. 2 Timothy 2:3. So for a child of God, that is simply not an option. Do make the devil miserable. Fight. Stand for righteousness. Make your voice heard.
A good lesson, Ralph. Stand up for Jesus.
You got that right, doll. Don't wait too late to tell others about Jesus. Have a blessed day, folks.